Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. I'm just going to show you what I'm wearing for the week so we can see. So I have my jeans on already, but I've got black jeans with this top. This is a little black top with a sweater with the skirt. This is a red dress. These are, look at my cute funky pants. These old style pants. Then I've got a burgundy sweater with these pants. And then this is a red sweater with some pants. And so now, let me take you over to the wigs that I'm wearing this week with them. And so we've got, today I'm wearing K from Especially Yours in Almost Black. And then I've got Estectica Wynter. And then I have Dare to Be Pink from Raquel Welch. I have Ashlee in Flame Rooted. And then I have the Amazon wig. I wanted to try one of those. And then I have Veronica in Honey. And then I have Estetica's Orchid in that ROM 624 ORT4. And then down at the bottom, I have Long Leading Lady from Jacyln Smith and Pecan Delight. And that other little short one is not, it's just I'm using that for storage. I don't have that on the agenda for this week. So these are the wigs for the week. And these are the clothes for the week. So that's what you can look forward to, what I will be reviewing and installing this week. All right? So I'm probably going to upload this as a short. I don't know how to do shorts, but I think I'm going to try. If not, it'll be uploaded as a video. All right. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.